Dear students, welcome to my channel. This channel is only for you. Today I am going to discuss miscellaneous exercise on sheets from question number 3. I have already discussed question number 1 and 2 in the previous class. You can check the playlist. Here number 3. Let A, B and C be the sets such that A union B equal to A union C and A intersection B equal to A intersection C. Show that B equal to C. You have to prove this one, and given condition is A union B equal to A union C and A intersection B equal to A intersection C. So write down proof. We have B equal to you can write B intersection A union B. B intersection A union B. Say this one A, this one B. B intersection A union B. A union B means whole part. This one A union B. And B intersection A union B means simply B. So you can write this one. Or you can write B intersection. In case of A union B, you can write A union C. So write down A union C. Right here, since A union B equal to A union C. Next, use distributive law. B intersection A union B intersection C. B intersection A or A intersection B, same thing. You can write this one. Union B intersection C. Again, A intersection B, you can write A intersection C. So you can write A intersection C union B intersection C, since A intersection B equal to A intersection C. Equal to, you can write A union B intersection A union B, here A union B intersection C. This one distributive law. A intersection C union B intersection C. So A union B, again you can write A union C intersection C. So A union C intersection C, that means you can write simply C. So B equal to C, proved. You can write the notes. Number 4, show that the following 4 conditions are equivalent. That means if A is a subset of B, then A difference B equal to 5. If A difference B equal to 5, then A union B equal to B. Or A union B equal to B, then A intersection B equal to A. Or if A intersection B equal to A, then A is a subset of B. That means 1 implies 2, 2 implies 3, 3 implies 4, 4 implies 1. So first write down 1 implies 2. We have A is a subset of B. This one given condition, and you have to prove this one. Let X belongs to A. This implies you can write X belongs to B, since A is a subset of B. Or X does not belongs to B complement. X belongs to A. X does not belongs to B complement. That means A intersection B complement equal to 5. A intersection B complement equal to 5. Or you can write A difference B equal to 5. A intersection B complement means A difference B equal to 5. So this one number 2. Next, number 2 implies number 3. Here given condition is A difference B equal to 5. We have A difference B equal to 5. Therefore, A intersection B complement equal to 5. A difference B means A intersection B complement. If X belongs to A, then X does not belongs to B complement, since A intersection B complement equal to 5. If X belongs to A, then does not belongs to B complement means X belongs to B. Therefore, A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. Also, B is a subset of B. Every Every set is subset of itself. Therefore, A union B. Therefore, A union B is a subset of B. A union B is a subset of B. This one say A is a subset of B. This one. Again, B is a subset of B. So, A union B means whole is a subset of B. Also, B is a subset of A union B. Certainly. Therefore, A union B equal to B. This one number 3. You can write the notes. Next, 3 implies 4. We have A union B equal to B. This one given condition, you have to prove A intersection B equal to A. Since A is a subset of A union B, or A is a subset of A union B means B. A is a subset of B. Again, A is subset of A. Therefore, you can write A is a subset of A intersection B. A is a subset of A intersection B. Also, A intersection B is subset of A. This one surely subset. Therefore, from these two conditions, A intersection B equal to A. If A is a subset of B, B is a subset of A, then the two sets are equivalent. I have already discussed in one class, you can say. So, now you have to prove 4 implies 1. We have A intersection B equal to A. Since A intersection B is a subset of A also, B also, subset of B, or A intersection B means A, so you can write A is a subset of B. Here number 1 is A is a subset of B. Therefore, you can write 1, 2, 3, 4 all are equivalent. Therefore, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are equivalent. You can write the notes. Number 5, show that if A is a subset of B, then C difference B is a subset of C difference A. Write down. For this type of proof, say any element belongs to this, let X belongs to C difference B. So you can write X belongs to C and X does not belongs to B. Here difference, or X belongs to C and X does not belongs to A, since A is a subset of B. If A is a subset of B, if X does not belongs to A, then X does not belongs to B also, or X belongs to C difference A. So I have written this one, X belongs to C difference B. Again, X belongs to C difference A. That means C difference B is a subset of C difference A. So this is the proof. Write the notes. I think all of you understood my class. If you understood my class, don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.